I hope you're ready to earn cash back on everyday purchases because this is the ultimate guide to earning with Upside. From signing up to earning to cashing out your hard-earned cash, or rather, easy earned cash. Welcome back everyone, I'm Carrie and I love the Upside app because it is the easiest way to make extra cash on things I'm already buying. And the offers they have are some of the highest cashback percentages that I've ever seen. I typically earn around 5 to 15% cashback at restaurants and grocery and convenience stores and up to 25 cents per gallon cashback at gas stations. If you haven't downloaded the free Upside app on Apple or Android apps yet, here are some sign up bonuses. You can get 10% cashback at your first restaurant or grocery store if you sign up with the code YouTube10. Or if you drive a lot and would rather get a gas bonus, use the promo code YouTube when you sign up to get an extra 25 cents per gallon cashback on your first fuel up. So once you've downloaded the app, just follow the instructions and fill out your info. Then tap the profile button at the top right and then go to My Wallet and add the credit cards and the debit cards that you normally use on a daily basis to buy things. And yes, you did hear that right. With Upside, you can earn cashback even with debit cards. And you earn much more than the average 1% debit card cashback reward rate. Now that you've added your cards, time to find offers. I usually start my search with the map view to see what's near around where I am or where I'm gonna be. Depending on what you need to buy, you just filter by gas, restaurants or groceries or convenience. And then you also have the option to scroll through a list and look at photos, or I do prefer the map view and I can just zoom in and zoom out. You can also search for a specific city or a town in the search bar if you're planning on going somewhere else and wanna plan out what you're buying. And by the way, you can earn with Upside at over 100,000 locations across the US. That's over 65,000 restaurants, over 30,000 gas stations, and currently around 4,000 grocery stores, and that number is growing, as well as hardware stores. And if convenience is not a top priority for you and you want to maximize your earnings, when browsing offers, always choose the highest cashback rewards when possible. And when you're looking up restaurants, my tip is to click on the restaurant in the Upside app and definitely read the description. And if you want, check out the Yelp profile so you can make sure that it's in your budget and it's something that you actually want to eat. And once you decided on your offer, just tap claim, and then Upside will prompt you to open up directions to the location. Make sure that you claim the offer before it expires, which is around 4 hours after you tap claim. And by the way, if you have questions at the end of this video, please comment below. We will answer each and every one of them. And also, if you want even more ways to save and earn, go check out my other videos on this channel and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell because that's what this entire channel is all about, earning smarter, not harder. Okay, so once you are at the location and you're ready to claim the offer, all you do is shop and dine or buy whatever you need to buy like you normally would and use the card that you've added to your Upside wallet. Depending on your offer, I've noticed that gas purchases usually do not require uploading a receipt, but at some restaurants and stores without the new Pay with App feature, you need to take a photo of the receipt and then upload it. But don't worry, the app will walk you through each step and what is required. And remember, if you add more than one card to your Upside wallet, you'll want to change the payment method at the bottom of the screen before you actually purchase. That way it matches up with the right card. Looking at your card number is how Upside confirms your purchases and what rewards they give you. And Upside just added a new feature called Pay with App. And it's revolutionizing the way that you get cash back because you don't even have to tap or swipe your card when you go buy something. And another benefit with this Pay with App feature is that you get your money a lot quicker. Usually I see my earnings hit my Upside account that same day. So here's how it works. The Pay with App feature is really simple and it only works at select stores across the US. So after you select a Pay with App offer and then you're at the register ready to pay, tap Ready to Pay in your app and then ask the cashier for your total. Or, if it shows up on the dashboard, just type in your total. And then after you type it in, including tax and tip, hit confirm payment and then show the cashier the Upside app and ask them to process the payment like a gift card. And then ta-da, you're done. Give this video a thumbs up if you're following so far. And by the way, the Pay with App feature is only available for dining, groceries, and convenience stores, and it's not offered at every location. By the way, if you're getting gas with Upside, a lot of gas stations also offer high cashback percentages when you shop at their convenience stores. Might as well. I use these offers a lot when I was road tripping last summer. I remember claiming in-store offers of 11 to 19% cash back on these convenience stores, which is huge. So if you spend $20 these days, which honestly is just a couple Red Bulls and a bag of chips and maybe a Slim Jim, you could get up to $4 back, which is another Red Bull. I always combine Upside offers with my cashback credit card, which gives me an additional 3% cash back at gas stations. So on average, I make 15 cents per gallon plus 20% total cash back when I buy something inside. And speaking of credit cards, check out my video on the best cashback and travel credit cards for 2024, and let's see if we have some of the same ones. now for the exciting part. It's time to cash out those earnings, and Upside makes it super easy and fast. After you've paid, you'll receive an email within 1 week if you pay with your card, or about 1 day if you paid with the app. It'll tell you how much cash you've earned from your purchase, and then when you go into the Upside app, you'll see the money you earned at the top of your screen from all of your daily purchases. To cash out, just tap on the total to get the cash out screen, and then from there you can choose to withdraw the cash to your bank account, a gift card, or add it to your PayPal balance. And now that you have your money, you can choose to spend it, save it, however you want. This is extra cash. If you're curious about how much you can actually make with Upside, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned because I'm publishing a video about exactly how much I made eating out with Upside for an entire month in New York City. And because I've been choosing the highest cashback offers, I have a good feeling that I'm gonna be really happy with my total earnings. And if you haven't signed up yet, you can get a bonus 25 cents per gallon on your first gas purchase with the code YouTube, or use the code YouTube10 to earn an extra 10% cashback on your first restaurant or grocery purchase. I hope I see you all in the next video. Thank you so much and happy earning with Upside.